7. Watermelon health benefits. 1. Healthier heart. Watermelon is rich in an amino acid called citrulline that may help move blood through your body and can lower your blood pressure. Your heart also enjoys the perks of all the lycopene watermelon contains. 2. Protects your joints. Watermelon has a natural pigment called beta-cryptoxanthin that may protect your joints from inflammation. 3. Easy on your eyes. Just one medium slice of watermelon contains 9 to 11% of the vitamin A you need each day. This nutrient is one of the keys to keeping your eyes healthy. 4. Hydration. Watermelon is 92% water, so it's a simple way to help stay hydrated. Every cell in your body needs water. Even a small shortage can make you feel sluggish. 5. Your skin and eyes. Vitamins A, B6, and C in watermelon help your skin stay soft, smooth. Vitamin A is important for skin and eye health. Vitamin B6 helps your body break down the protein you eat, and is also important for the immune system and nerve function. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system and aids in the absorption of iron. Potassium is helpful in lowering blood pressure and is important for nerve function as well. 6. Easy to digest. If you have a digestive condition, you can put watermelon on your list. This fleshy fruit is easy for even an inflamed gut to digest. 7. Lycopene. Watermelon contains some of the highest lycopene levels of any type of fresh fruit. Lycopene is a phytonutrient, which is a naturally occurring compound in fruits and vegetables that works with the human body to trigger healthy reactions. It is also the red pigment that gives watermelons, tomatoes, red grapefruits and guavas their color. Lycopene has been linked with heart health, bone health and prostate cancer prevention. It's also a powerful antioxidant thought to have anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks for watching.